In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink on PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. Now, PowerPoint is a fantastic tool for creating presentations that can inform, inspire, and educate. One of the key features that can really make your presentation stand out is the ability to use hyperlinks. Hyperlinks in PowerPoint can link to external websites, email addresses, other slides within your presentation, or even different PowerPoint presentations altogether. They're particularly useful for providing additional resources, citing sources, or creating a nonlinear presentation where the audience can choose the journey they take. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you have the application open, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where you can choose to start a new presentation from scratch or open an existing one. For today's purpose, we're going to be working with an existing file, so navigate your way through and open your file from the opening screen. With your document open, the next step is to decide which text you'd like to turn into a hyperlink. Perhaps it's a call to action, a reference, or simply text that you think could use a bit more depth by linking out to additional information. Whatever your rationale, simply select and highlight this text. Click and drag over the text with your mouse or touchpad, making sure every part you wish to link is highlighted. Once your text is highlighted, you're going to navigate to the Insert tab. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window and you'll find a series of tabs. Click on the one that says Insert. This tab is where you can add various elements to your slides, from images and shapes to, yes, hyperlinks. After clicking on Insert, your next move is to look for the Link option. It should be relatively easy to locate. In most versions of PowerPoint, it's symbolized by a chain link icon, making it quite intuitive to find. Go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking link, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to insert a link. This is where you'll actually input the web address or the destination for your hyperlink. If you're linking to a web page, make sure you have the correct URL ready. For linking to an email address, you'll typically start with mail to, followed by the email address. If you're linking to another slide or presentation, you'll have the options to select those directly in this dialog box. Next, it's time to paste or type in your desired link in the provided field. If you're not sure if you've copied the link, it's always a good idea to double check to avoid any mistakes. Remember, accuracy is key to ensuring that your audience can reach the intended destination without any hiccups. After pasting your link, all that's left is to click OK to finalize the hyperlink. This will close the dialog box and return you to your slide, where you'll now see your selected text underlined, indicating it's linked. Here are a couple of final tips to really make sure your hyperlinks add value to your presentation. Always test your links before giving your presentation. Simply go into presentation mode and click on your hyperlink to ensure it leads where you expect it to. Use descriptive link text. Instead of saying click here, try to use descriptive text that gives your audience an idea of where the link will take them. It's more informative and accessible, and there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your PowerPoint presentation. It's a simple process that can add a significant layer of depth and interactivity to your presentations. Hyperlinks can guide your audience to more information, provide supplemental materials, or even offer a way to contact you directly. Now that you know how to do it, you can experiment with hyperlinks in your future presentations to make them even more engaging and informative. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.